Hey everyone, welcome back. Not receiving the Tinder verification code is a common issue and usually easy to fix, so here's how to fix it. First, confirm that your phone number that you are putting in is correct, including your country code. Even one wrong digit will stop the code. After that, check your phone's signal. Move to an area with a better network coverage. Wait at least 30 seconds before requesting another code. Requesting too fast can block messages temporarily, so wait. Make sure your SMS messages are not blocked on your phone. Disable spam filters or message blockers. Then, if you're using a VPN, turn it off and retry. Tinder may block verification through VPN connections. If the code still does not arrive, wait for a few minutes or hours and then try again, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.